Hey there, fellow aspiring affiliate marketers. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to building know, like, and trust with your audience? Earning more commissions and leveraging the power of social media? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to creating content, engaging your audience, and maximizing your success as an affiliate marketer. So, grab your pen and paper because we're about to dive in. Step 1. Identify your target audience. To build a loyal following, you must know who you're targeting. Take time to research and understand their needs, desires, and pain points. This will help you tailor your content specifically. Step 2. Create high-quality and valuable content. Now that you know your audience, it's time to create content that provides immense value. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media posts, always aim to educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Solve their problems, answer their questions, and give them a reason to keep coming back for more. Step 3. Be authentic and genuine. In the world of affiliate marketing, authenticity is key. Be yourself and let your unique personality shine through. Share personal stories, opinions, and experiences. People connect with real people, so don't be afraid to let your true self be seen. This will help you build a genuine relation with your audience. Step 4. Establish authority and expertise. To gain trust, position yourself as an expert in your niche. Create pillar content that showcases your knowledge and expertise. This could be comprehensive guides, tutorials, or in-depth product reviews. When your audience sees you as an authority figure, they're more likely to trust your recommendations. Step 5. Engage and interact with your audience. Building a community around your content is crucial. Encourage your audience to leave comments, ask questions, and share their thoughts. Respond to their comments, engage in conversations, and show that you genuinely care. By nurturing this relationship, you'll create a sense of trust and loyalty. Step 6. Recommend products or services you believe in. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is everything. Only promote products or services you genuinely believe in and have tested yourself. Your audience relies on your honest recommendations, so choose quality over quantity. Building trust through genuine recommendations will lead to higher conversion rates. Step 7. Track, analyze, and optimize your strategies. To continually improve your content and maximize your earning potential, it's essential to track and analyze key metrics. Keep an eye on engagement rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated. Use analytics tools to gain insights into what's working and what needs improvement. Experiment with different approaches, test new content formats, and make data-driven decisions. Now, let's explore how to engage people on social media and generate more commissions. Here are some powerful tips and examples for you. Tip 1. Create compelling visual content. Visual content is essential for capturing attention on social media. Use eye-catching images, infographics, and videos that are relevant to your niche and resonate with your audience. Visuals can quickly convey your message and generate more engagement. Tip 2. Ask questions and encourage discussion. One effective way to engage your audience is by asking questions and encouraging them to share their opinions. Post thought-provoking questions, polls, or challenges related to your niche. This will spark conversations, increase comments, and foster a sense of community. Tip 3. Respond promptly and thoughtfully. When your audience interacts with your posts or sends you messages, make it a priority to respond promptly and thoughtfully. Show genuine interest in their comments or questions. Engaging in meaningful conversations will build trust, loyalty, and increase the likelihood of generating commissions. Tip 4. Utilize live videos and stories. Live videos and stories provide an excellent opportunity to connect with your audience in real time. Use these features to share behind-the-scenes content, host Q&A sessions, or provide product demonstrations. The live nature creates a sense of urgency and exclusivity, driving higher engagement. Tip 5. Run contests and giveaways. Contests and giveaways are powerful tools to generate excitement, increase followers, and encourage engagement. Create compelling incentives such as exclusive discounts, free products, or personalized experiences. Make participation easy and straightforward, and remember to comply with platform guidelines. Tip 6. Share user-generated content. Leverage the power of user-generated content, UGC, by featuring your audience's posts and experiences. Encourage your followers to share their testimonials, reviews, or photos using your recommended products. UGC adds authenticity and social proof, motivating others to take action and boosting your commissions. Tip 7. Include clear calls to action (CTAs). When sharing your affiliate content on social media, don't forget to include clear and compelling calls to action (CTAs). Directly tell your audience what you want them to do. Whether it's clicking a link, making a purchase, or signing up for a newsletter. CTAs guide your audience towards taking the desired action. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively engage your audience on various social media platforms and increase your chances of earning more commissions. Now, let's explore specific social media platforms that you can leverage to engage your audience and boost your commissions. Here are some examples of platforms that work well for affiliate marketers. Example 1. Instagram, visual storytelling. Instagram is a visually driven platform that allows you to showcase your affiliate products and tell stories through images and videos. Utilize Instagram's grid layout to create an aesthetically pleasing feed that reflects your niche. Use engaging captions, relevant hashtags, and collaborate with influencers to amplify your reach. Example 2. YouTube, in-depth reviews and tutorials. YouTube is a powerful platform for creating video content that can educate, entertain, and promote your affiliate products. Create in-depth product reviews, tutorials, or comparison videos that demonstrate the benefits and features of the products you recommend. Optimize your videos with relevant keywords and engaging thumbnails to attract viewers. Example 3. Facebook, engaging communities. Facebook offers various opportunities to engage with your audience through groups, pages, and live videos. Join relevant groups within your niche and actively participate by providing valuable insights and answering questions. Create a dedicated Facebook page to share your content, updates, and exclusive offers. Utilize Facebook Live to host Q&A sessions or product demonstrations. Example 4. Pinterest, visual inspiration and guides. Pinterest is a visual search engine that can drive significant traffic to your affiliate content. Create visually appealing pins with eye-catching graphics and compelling titles. Use Pinterest to share product inspiration, gift guides, or step-by-step tutorials. Optimize your pins with relevant keywords and link them back to your blog or landing pages. Example 5. LinkedIn, professional networking and expertise. LinkedIn is a platform primarily focused on professional networking, making it ideal for affiliate marketers in business-related niches. Showcase your expertise through long-form articles, industry insights, and thought leadership content. Connect with professionals in your niche, engage in relevant discussions, and leverage LinkedIn's publishing platform to amplify your reach. These are just a few examples of social media platforms that can help you engage your audience and generate commissions as an affiliate marketer. Choose the platforms that align with your target audience and where your niche thrives. Remember to adapt your content strategies to each platform's unique features and best practices. Now, select the platforms that resonate with your audience, create compelling content, and watch your engagement and commissions soar. Thank you for watching the ultimate guide to building know, like, and trust as an affiliate marketer. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your success in the world of affiliate marketing. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience, delivering value, being authentic, and continuously optimizing your strategies. Stay tuned for more valuable content and happy affiliate marketing.